So now in this video we will add a limitation to our main camera so that the main camera doesn't rotate around the player like this. Okay, so in order to do that, let's open up the main camera controller script, and in here we will create a public float by the name of minimum vertical angle, or in short form min, and for the vertical we use ver, and then the angle is in full form, and then by default this will be equals to minus 45f. And then after this we will create another float by the name of maximum vertical angle, and this will be 45f. Then after this rotation x or root x, we will again say root x, and this will be equals to mathf dot clamp, and this clamp is used for limiting the angle of the game objects, in our case the main camera. Okay, so this will actually add a limit to our main camera rotation for the x-axis. So now in here we will first of all pass the root x, because this is our up and down rotation. Then we want to add the limit, so at first we will add the minimum vertical angle, and then the second will be maximum vertical angle. And guys, let me tell you that this minimum vertical angle and maximum vertical angle might be different for your game, so make sure that you change these values according to your own game. Okay, so now if you just simply save this and get back to Unity, if you click on our main camera, here is the angle minimum and maximum. Okay, let me just actually play this game in the full window. Let's play it. Okay, so now as you can see, if we move our mouse upward, now as you can see the camera is not moving more. Okay, it just stopped right there on the 45 angle. If we actually minimize this, okay, select the main camera, and if you notice now the rotation x right here in the transform is 45. Okay, and if we move it down, it is now, it can't move more further than minus 45. Okay, as you can see. So for now, if you notice that when we move down, as you can see, the camera is moving inside the ground. So now in order to fix that, let's just actually examine the value for this rotation x. For example, we will set the value to 4.4. okay, if you notice right here the rotation x value, you can do the same for your own game. For mine, I will set the value, for example, to 14. So if I get back right here, I will change this to minus 14. Then save it, get back to Unity, and make sure that you change the value right here as well, because when you change it in the script, it won't be changed right here. Okay, so you will have to do it right here as well. So change it to minus 14 as well. And now if we play the game again, so as you can see, the main camera is still going inside the ground. This is because our main camera is currently focusing on the player back area and not on the player head. So when the camera will be focusing on the player head, then this issue will be fixed as well. Okay, so for now you learn how to add limitation to your main camera, and with this done, I will see you guys in the next one.